Hey guys, it's Danny, owner Danny Fitness and strong woman of Nashville, Tennessee. I am so excited to be auditioning for the NBC Titan Games. It's about to be epic, y'all. A few females in Tennessee doing strongman competitions. I've already been at nationals. I just got into it last August. I'm super excited about competing again. I've already made it to nationals again. Hopefully gonna qualify for the Arnold coming up soon. I'm an ambassador for St. Jude. I'm an ambassador for the American Lung Association. I put on fitness events in the community all over Middle Tennessee. So I'm all about fitness events and personal training and just being active. And it changed my life. It gave my life purpose. So for me, auditioning for this and showing my strength and showing my natural abilities, and then also representing females and representing loving my body. Defying and breaking all stereotypes is all what I'm about. My mantra is fight for what you want, so I'm gonna fight for what I want on your show, fight for what I want every day in real life.